lovely morning today here in UK. It's Saturday. Tingnan nyo. It's so lovely outside. Magbabarbecue ata kami today. Kailangan ko mag-laundry kasi yung laundry ko, nag-alsa balutan na naman yung laundry ko. Ano bang gagawin ko? Maglagay lang ako ng konting makeup lang. Kasi may mga pigmentation na naman ako, etc. etc. I miss using this NARS. By the way, back in, I can't remember how long, but back in when I was working as a receptionist, I use this foundation a lot, the NARS. I love this foundation, like it's one of my fave foundation. Pero it's so expensive. Napaka-expensive kasi ng foundation na to. So I never really like use it anymore. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wala na atang laman. Like, instead of using my BB cream, I'm just gonna use this because I think it's literally bang on, same color as my skin. Or is it darker? I think it's darker in a way. Hey ho. That's what I'm gonna do. No, my skin is a bit lighter instead. Anyway. So what are we doing today? We're not really doing a lot. I think we're just gonna chill. And then barbecue sa garden. And nothing else. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this. I think it's a bit dark for my skin, but I don't think you can see. Yeah, it's a bit dark. Anyway, but yeah, this is one of my favorite foundation to wear. But it's so expensive. Just gonna use my homemade BB cream. Lapit ko na siyang maubos. Tatabunan ko lang siya because the foundation, the NARS, a bit dark. Do you like doing your eyebrows? Like sometimes there are days that I want my eyebrows to be like on fleek, if that's the word. Like I want my eyebrows to be done, but there are times that I just cannot be bothered. Because at the end of the day, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just literally lounging around the house. And if I join a live streaming, I don't really care what I look like. I should be more like, you know, when you join somebody's live streaming, I think if it's your live streaming, then it's fine because it's your own live streaming, then who cares? But if it's somebody's live streaming and then the house looks so glamorous and then you join the live streaming and then you look so crap, you'll be like, whoa, like what is that? Just, I don't understand. And I'm using the Estee Lauder. It's like a lip gloss. Just like that. And then it's very unhygienic, isn't it? But we'll just leave it like this. And then with my beauty blender, just to blend a little bit. So basically it's like no makeup look. Like you're wearing a bit of makeup, but it's not that intense. Okay. And there you go. A bit of glow. And then I'm gonna wear a little bit of mascara. It will be the Maybelline Colossal Platinum Black. Just a tiny bit. Oh. It didn't make any big difference. Okay. And I like putting mascara on my bottom lash. Now if you're like me, that you know, I just mess it up, just use cotton bud, and then whatever's left on the mascara, this is what I do, just to brush my eyebrows a bit. That's the word. That's what I do. If I'm that lazy, I just use whatever's left. To make my eyebrows a bit fuller. So that's that, because I messed up the bottom. And just do this. The other side. And I'm done. Okay, I will show you in the daylight. Kasi dito, masyadong madilim. And there's my no makeup look. Can you see? Okay. And there's my no makeup look. So just a little bit of tint sa skin ko. Yung BB cream. Tapos, bit of mascara. Nilagyan ko din ng mascara yung eyebrows ko. Nakikita niyo ako doon. And then, lip gloss. And then, same lip gloss. And then, same sa cheek. Wala. Baba tayo. Maglo-laundry ako. Okay. Mola is so tired after a shower. And she's so grumpy. And now she's snoring. Walay. Just having some lunch. It's a Chinese takeaway. Left over from last night. This is the mixed curry, rice, and some Sparrow's barbecue. Kain tayo! Barbecue kami for dinner. Pakita ko sa inyo. Gumawa ako ng salad. Ito ay mango, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and avocado. And then ito yung barbecue namin. Chicken skewers, baby, with some peppers, and then this is a fillet steak. Ang aming dinner. Electric pala yung gamit namin, guys, kasi maano kami, lazy lang kami gumamit ng barbecue. Tapos magti-table tennis kami mamaya. Ping pong, ping pong. Molly, hi. Momo. Shh. Napaka-handy pala nito kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin indoor, pwede mo din siyang gamitin outdoor. So, kumama yung asawa ko na skewers. So, pag ayaw nyo mag-barbecue ng may coal, ideal siya.